stitching on this one is flawless. Check this key fob, the leather is premium. Agreed, I'll log it. Let's get the seat covers next.
All right, let's get this batch loaded. Open it up, bring the first roll. Good. Secure it and get the next one.
This piece is ready for the next stage. Careful with the alignment on that one. This one is perfectly cut.
Trim this panel carefully for the headrest.
Got it. Feeding it now.
Supply check complete, panel's ready. The stitching is flawless. A perfect finish.